I've been eyeing a Makita track saw for quite a while and finally got a coupon, so I was able to get it on sale. So I'm going to walk you through the unboxing of it. It just arrived. I paid $4.29 for it, and then I had a $25 coupon, so it was $4.04. The cool thing is it came with a 55-inch track, but you can join these together, two of them, so you can rip a full sheet of plywood long ways. For the most part though, I'm going to be ripping not long ways but the short way, so this will be enough. Long ways it's easy enough to do on a table saw. So let's open it up and see what's inside. Box inside another box. Sorry doing this one-handed. The track. It looks like there's nothing else in this box but just the track. So just a 55-inch long piece of aluminum. It does have grip, a grippy surface, so it feels like if you set this down, it's kind of like a rubbery plastic feel. So I'll be interested to see how this works, and also if it kind of gets gummed up with sawdust or if it stays sticky. But it feels like you can, this isn't wanting to move at all, so I think it'll work probably pretty well. So I'll be testing it very soon. But it looks high quality, pretty heavy duty. Another thing I want to try to do is maybe 3D print a bracket so I can use this with my trim router. I've seen some people do that, and I think that'd be really useful. Here's the saw that came with the combo kit. It's a 6.5-inch plunge cut circular saw. I hope it comes with a fine finish blade. Otherwise I'm going to have to buy one, so we'll see. So it comes in a case, which is nice. Very nice case. This is really nice. Definitely, let's open this up now that we've cut the zip tie. It's nice that it's not super packed, so you have room for other stuff. It's a pretty light saw, lighter than I would have expected. Let's see. Anything else in there? It just looks like this is the bottom for it to rest in. It feels, I wouldn't say flimsy, but it's definitely plasticky and not, this is metal right here, but it's very light. So all this here is all plastic. Like on my rigid saw, that's all metal. Here's the saw on the track, and one thing that's neat is they have these dials so you can take any wobble out. So when I first put it on the track, there was some wobble, but as you tighten these, you could slowly take all that wobble out, and then it slides around very smooth, but it's very tight. And then you can lock it into the track with this, so now it's not going anywhere. So extremely smooth, and like this is just setting this rubber mat, and it doesn't want to move. So very impressed on how well that works with not using any clamps. Really excited. And then the blade comes right down. It looks like it's set up where it'll be like a zero clearance, so the first time you'll cut a little bit of that rubber, but that'll be nice that rubber will truly be my cut line. So I'll want to make sure that the saw is well lined up, and I have all this dialed in before doing that cut, so I'll check that out. But overall, very impressed with this. The one thing though I was kind of surprised by is how much plastic that was on here, but it does feel really solid on here, way better than just using a straight edge. And my circular saw. I'm excited then to put this saw to use. I'm going to be making some cabinets and also breaking down some plywood for some cabinet doors. So if you want to see the saw being put to work and my thoughts on it after actually using it, please like this video if you found it was helpful. Subscribe to find out when that new video comes out, and I'll also include a link to the video if I've already produced it on this video, and include a thumbnail in the video you'll see on the screen. So thank you very much for watching, and hope you have a great day and found this useful. And there'll be a link to where I bought this on Home Depot's site. I think Rockler also has it a lot of places, so look around. Sometimes there's coupons like I found. So definitely, so far for what I see, would recommend it, and I think it's going to be a great add to the shop.